One thing I will say is if you come to my house, you do not want to tamper with my fire alarms. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere. That is not your own house, especially in a public building. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have fire alarms in their house, you still do not tamper with them because those fire alarms don't belong to you. So don't tamper with them. If you tamper with my alarms, you are going to get into very serious dead meat and you are going to go to jail, and you don't want that, so please leave my alarms alone. Goodbye.